Here's a look at the 70-20-10 budget rule breakdown. Hey, how's it going? This is Budgeting with Nate for all your budgeting needs. In this example, what we're going to go ahead and look at is if beauticians in the state of California are making roughly $40 an hour, and we're taking into account that they're working roughly 40 hours a week. So for the state of California, what we're going to look at is what their income would be after taxes, which for this example is going to be $5,280 a month. And what we're also going to account for is that there's no pre-tax deductions for this amount. Okay. So as we go ahead and break it down, the 70% is going to represent needs. Okay. One of the things to think about here in terms of your needs are these are going to be things such as your rent, your utilities, right? These are little things such as your groceries that you have to keep track of each month. Okay. All the essentials, insurance costs that you're going to have, and also some of your gas. Okay. And when we take into account the 70% for our needs out of the 5,280, that 70% is going to come to $3,696 a month. Now, the 20% represents your savings and investments out of the overall budget each month. So this amount is going to go ahead and equal $1,056 a month that you can allocate to your savings or investment accounts. So these could be things such as your Roth IRA, your business that you want to invest more into, or different savings accounts that you want to go ahead and have for yourself personally or your family. Now, the 10% represents your wants. The thing to think about here is these are like dining out, right? These are your subscriptions for your different TV shows, your different networks that you'd like to tune into. This is your entertainment that you want to go ahead and allocate money to. And this is going to come roughly to $528 per month. And that's how you break down a 70-20-10 budget. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks again.